Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. CBS Permit here, and I was just wanting to making sure that the Krabby Patty meal, which is coming out the SpongeBob SquarePants Bikini Bottom meal. You know, I always love SpongeBob. It was my favorite childhood show. And I never heard about this before. So yeah. Well, so the Burger King has a new SpongeBob meal, which is Bikini Bottom meal. I actually really do this at last. Yep. Are you ready? The SpongeBob movie Search for SquarePants, which is coming up on the theaters December 19th. Burger King, are you ready? I got the Bikini Bottom meal. Yep. The Flying Dutchman. I got the pineapple frozen fruit. Oh yeah, it looks like I see. What's good? I really like the pineapple. Let's see, what did we get? Oh, we got this Sir Patrick and the SpongeBob things. I got the cheesy dog, Mr. Krabs, and I got waffle. SpongeBob's Krabby Patty waffle. So let's go ahead and get the SpongeBob meal extra. Let's got the burger. Oh boy, it's the SpongeBob meal from PK. Okay, so let's go ahead and take all the lettuce. Oh, I think I need a nap. Alright, let's clean this thing stuff. Okay, make sure we don't want to fall into the pickle. There you go. Alright, let's take some lettuce. Move out of here, lettuce. And let's eat it. Yep. Good. Oh yeah, I forgot. So, kids. No, I actually just stopped recording, so I didn't stop recording. I got a spoon with me, so let's eat. Yep, it's time for stuff. Square thing like SpongeBob's SquarePants, like that. Let's try to find Dutchman's pineapple fruit. Pineapple fruit. Yep. Tastes like icy. Just like icy. It was pretty good. By the way. Let's try the Krabby Patties. Mr. Krabs cheese and bacon tots. So tasty. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Well, I'm not done finishing food until we can finish into dessert. yesterday. I'm about to finish meal again. Come on, I'm gonna get out of this again. Okay. Starting off with Patrick's strawberry square shortcake pie. Open this. Wait, open this. Oh no. Oh no. Open this. Ooh. Pineapple. Pineapple. Oh, strawberry. So good. Okay, guys, so that was fun today. So I ate a Krabby Patty meal, then a cheesy dots, then a Patrick's strawberry shortcake, and that's it. And a frozen Pirates pineapple float. So bye, y'all.